What's up, Beach Boy Classic, and I'm back with another video. What's up, YouTube? So today, guys, we're at the Volcano Bay, as y'all can see.
Hey, Jen. Hey.
It's very sunny today.
Bro, what if I just ran into the water?
She's talking about what if she ran in the water. Look at Hayden. That's my brother. That's my cousin. I know I ain't vlogged in a minute, but hey, y'all gonna have this content today. I'll let y'all know when we about to do something interesting.
They gave us these wristbands. They look like a smartwatch.
Look like an Apple Watch, but it's not an Apple Watch.
It's not.
It don't say Apple. There's no Apple on it.
So we put this on. We all putting on. Marquez putting on hers. We get Apple Watch.
How you put this thing on? Okay.
Cause we fancy, huh? We fancy, huh?
Money them paid them as well to give us an Apple Watch.
Cause I'm fancy, huh? Cause I'm fancy, huh?
Oh! We put this thing on though.
Y'all boys slow. Come on now. All those Apple Watches and gadgets y'all got. You know not put
Oh, there you go, there you go. There you go, there you go.
You got it. I got it. Yeah, I got it.
There we go. It's strapped.
Yeah.
Get into it.
And he put the other one.
Ashley got his on too.
No, I don't. It won't stay on. All right, come put mine.
Right now, guys, we're just trying to find a place for my mom to sit and stuff like that. And yeah, look at the view. Mama say hey to the vlog. She's talking about what's up. So I had to get me a waterproof, what's it called, case for my phone so I can do some content for y'all. And yeah, y'all, I went on one slide. That slide was so good. I wish I could have recorded this for y'all so y'all could see it. But I didn't have my phone thing. I left it at my resort, so I had to buy another one. But yeah, I got y'all with the content. Just give me a minute. I got y'all. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Go to find a water slide to go down if we can. I'm really not a good vlogger for real.
Girl, like you keep leaving us.
I'm just trying to find a slide to go to. I'll get back with y'all when we get to the slide. What's up, y'all? So I'm trying to get this view for y'all. Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. We lit. Yeah.
Y'all so goofy.
We might be yelling down the slide. Yeah, you know. We about to go. I'm recording. Y'all, we on the second round. We going on the other side. We was over there earlier, now we're on this side.
Alright, stay back.
5.
Back up. Stay back up.
By myself.
Always follow team member instructions.
Now we about to get on the slide.
We're gonna get on the active river, y'all.
The active river.
Alright, come on, let's go.
What's up, y'all? So I was editing the video and I forgot to do an outro. But thank you guys for watching the video. We watched it all the way through. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video. That we know every time I post another video. Y'all comment down below. Let me know that what type of videos I want me to do and what content y'all want to see and all that stuff on my channel. I wasn't consistent like I said I was gonna be, but I'm gonna try to get consistent like as I go. But life be happening, so you know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Classic signing out.